Good morning, LR. Today is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. Lunch today is chicken burger with lettuce, tomatoes, baked chips, baby carrots, fruit, and milk. Cooking club starts up today. Anybody who would like to join is welcome. We'll meet in 3 o'clock in room 201. The Student Council Given Tuesday drive is running through December 15th. If you donate items to the drive, you will earn community service hours. Drop off items in the boxes in the lobby. Today is holiday sock day. Tomorrow is flannel day. Friday is also an early release day. All 4 blocks are still happening, they are just shorter. Any girls who want to play basketball need to be sure they have signed up for winter sports on the school website. We have 2 birthdays today. Happy birthday to Lindsay Carroll and Regi Shatney. Goodbye, Lake Region. Have a great day.